In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Beehiiv Referral program error step by step so you can get your referral system working properly again. If your referral program is not activating, rewards are not showing, or referral links are not tracking subscribers correctly, this guide will walk you through the exact checks you need to make. And before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, log into your Beehiiv account and make sure you're using the correct workspace or publication. A lot of referral issues happen because people are editing the wrong account or an old draft setup. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Grow. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of the audience growth tools, including your referral settings. After that, open Referrals. This section controls your referral program, reward tiers, and tracking behavior. Now, the first thing to check is whether the referral program is actually enabled. If the program is turned off, then your referral link and reward system will not function properly, even if everything else looks correct. Make sure the toggle or status shows that referrals are active. Next, verify that at least one reward tier exists. Beehiiv referral programs need a reward structure, so subscribers have something to work toward. If there are no tiers added, the system may appear broken or incomplete. Check whether you have a reward at a valid referral goal, and if not, add one. This could be a milestone like a certain number of referrals, a special bonus, a downloadable reward, or access to exclusive content. After that, confirm that your referral goals are set correctly. Sometimes the error is caused by a number that is too high, too low, or not saved properly. Review each goal carefully and make sure the tiers are connected to the right reward values. If anything looks off, edit it and correct it before moving on. Once you've confirmed the settings, save the referral program configuration. This step is important because changes in Beehiiv may not take effect until you save them properly. Even if everything looks right on screen, unsaved changes can cause referral errors or tracking problems. After saving, it's time to test a referral link. Copy the referral link and open it in a new browser tab or an incognito window so you can simulate a real user click. The link should open correctly and take the visitor to the right sign-up page without any broken page or redirect issue. If the link does not open correctly, then the problem may be in the referral setup or the URL itself. If the page loads properly, go ahead and check whether new subscribers are actually using the referral link. You want to confirm that Beehiiv is capturing the referral source when someone signs up. This is the most important part, because even if the link opens, the program still needs to track conversions correctly. Finally, check that referral tracking is active. Look for activity, subscriber attribution, or referral counts inside the referrals dashboard. If tracking is enabled and the link is working, you should see the system recognizing new signups tied to the referral source. If you still do not see tracking data, refresh the page, double-check your settings, and make sure the program is published and active for your publication. In most cases, going through these steps will fix the Beehiiv referral program error and get your referral system working again. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv and creator software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.